Aditya, for giving us those details. Now, the fast commerce platform Blinkit has rolled out a 10-minute ambulance service in select areas of Gurugram. The service is currently in the testing phase and has been launched with 5 ambulances. Founder and CEO Albinder Dhinsa has stated that profit is not a goal here. He has added that they will operate this service at an affordable cost for customers and invest in solving this critical problem for long term. The company plans to scale up the service and expand it to all major cities in the next 2 years. As of now, the ambulances come equipped with basic medical equipment. So that's quite the breakthrough, a landmark moment when it comes to India's private sector providing ambulances in just a period of 10 minutes. Asavri on the telecast with me. Asavri, tell us, take us through how you log on to Blinkit, get inside the app and are able to actually book an ambulance within seconds.
Right, absolutely, Megha. Let's give our viewers a demonstration on how this app and how this facility works. So, of course, we have the Blinkit app right over here. We quickly click onto it, and at this point of time, this service is only available in Gurugram. Now, we've of course put the location right over here, but once we get in, you can see, of course, on the bottom right of your screens, there's the ambulance logo. So, you of course click onto it. And at this point of time, the location that we put is Deerwood Chase in Nirvana country, which is in Gurugram. Now, we can of course see the time of arrival for the ambulance is 8 minutes. And once the request is made, we can of course see the price clearly visible over here. Request ambulance flat at rupees 2000. Now, they've made it abundantly clear that ventilator care is not currently available with this service. And again, they've made it very clear over here that this facility is currently only available in Gurugram. There's of course an app updation that is required in order to get these services. But to just give you an understanding on what it is that we can get oxygen cylinders, automated external defibrillators, stretchers, monitors, suction machines, essential emergency medicines and injections. And again, you have paramedics, assistants and trained drivers who you will find as soon as you log into this app. Again, it's a 10-minute service, so it's going to be a complete game changer as far as the healthcare industry is concerned. Again, you have to log into the application. You're going to see ambulance here at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're done with that, you have to put in all your data, your location over there. And again, you can see, of course, the trajectory of the ambulance the same way you see all the other facilities here on Blinkit.
Okay, also, Savri, can you give us an indication what is the average cost of booking an ambulance?
Right, absolutely, Megha. As far as what we're getting to know, again, this is going to be comparatively cheaper. It's going to be pocket friendly is what we're learning. Here, the location that we put, it says 2000 rupees. So, that's essentially what we're looking at. Again, it's only available in Gurugram at this point of time. So, we can only speak in context to that. But again, we have to see how this is going to pan out. And
yes,
again,
absolutely. Also talking about 2000 rupees, which is affordable, which is convenient. You're getting an ambulance service in about 8 to 10 minutes. 8 minutes is where you put the location in Gurugram. And as this rolls out, as they are in the testing phase, very soon it is going to be available across the country and in Delhi as well. So this saves time. This helps in saving lives at crucial periods of time where ambulances are not available.
Absolutely, Megha, again, it's going to be a game changer. They've come out, they've rolled out their own ambulances at this point of time. What we're in fact learning is that this is going to be available across GO8 ambulance service. We also have GVK Emergency Management and Research Institute, Stan Plus, Medicalins, Life Squad, Red Ambulances. So again, that collaboration has already started even as we speak.
Absolutely. That's a brilliant idea that has been put to service, which is going to help hundreds and thousands of millions of Indians who find it difficult to get ambulances at the time that is required. This is going to save a number of lives and therefore quite the game changer in the industry. I also have with me Brian Thomas. Brian, give us details. Has there been a surge in the number of people using this app for booking ambulances on Blinkit ever since it was announced yesterday? Savri, again, the questions could be asked that, if there is a surge in the demand for ambulances being booked on Blinkit, does Blinkit have enough number of ambulances, or because of the fact that you've listed out those 7 to 8 of these hospitals and clinics with which Blinkit has collaborated, there would, I think, be a requirement of more number of these hospitals being lined up, being collaborated, as this service is going to increase across Delhi, across NCR.
Right, absolutely, Megha. As of now, they're in collaboration with 10 again, collaboration with 10 such hospitals. But again, it's in its maiden stage right now, and it's only available in Gurugram. So we have to see how it's going to pan out in Delhi and subsequently across the country. But for now, they have 5 ambulances that are currently operational across these 10 hospitals as we speak. And again, the facilities that are available include oxygen cylinders, automated external defibricators, stretchers, monitors. So again, all that's available at this point of time, medicines, injections, that's at least, that's a get-go, in the sense that at least you have those basic necessities that are available on this, this ambulance facility that's there. And again, as we go, as it proceeds further, I'm sure there's going to be more that's going to be available.
Okay, I have with me Brian Thomas as well. Brian, you're in Gurugram right now. Have you been able to interact with people who have already started using this service? Alright, so that's quite the game changer when you get ambulance at the click of a button, at the touch of your screen. Blinkit has been at the forefront, the pioneer in thinking of this innovative idea. It's quite logical when you can get a bottle of Coke or even an iPhone within 10 minutes of ordering on these e-commerce websites and portals. Should it not be as easy to get an ambulance, which are life-saving services at the time of emergency, where you can save precious lives? All right, moving on, let's take a look at the other developments from across